I'm here at AirmicTV in Brighton, and I'm delighted to be joined by Stephanie Ogden and Claire McDonald from HDI Global. Welcome to you both.
Morning.
I thought I'd start really with the first question, is about your plans for the rest of this year and looking forward to the priorities for 2022.
Okay, so in terms of the plans for 2021, we were delighted last week to receive approval from the PRA. So we've just come out of the temporary permissions regime, which is really good, and that's one of our main blocks that we needed to achieve this year. In terms of other things, I'm sure we'll touch on that later, we've launched 2 new products this year, so continuing on with that, and we've also got a plan around redeveloping our Irish book that's well underway at the moment. So that's definitely going to keep us busy from now until the end of the year and into next year.
Okay, thank you very much. And you mentioned there the launch of 2 new covers. I think it's inherent defects insurance and marine cargo cover in the UK and Ireland. I mean, why launch those and why do that now?
Yes, so historically our customers know us for our 5 solid product offerings, but what marine cargo does and our inherent defects insurance is it allows us to expand that product offering and give our clients more reason to come to HDI. We also fully trust that these will massively impact from our bottom line perspective.
Okay, thank you. And obviously, for my last question, I hate to mention it, but the last 18 months have been, well, quite amazing really in terms of the pandemic. In terms of innovation, how have you managed as a business to keep that going? Perhaps Claire, I'll start with you.
Yeah, I think the first thing about keeping innovation going is keeping the team together. We really didn't miss a beat when COVID hit, and we didn't have any disruption there. Our staff have been very creative in terms of how they've kept connected to each other. And one of the things that our staff have worked on during the pandemic was a new flexible working policy that we've recently launched called Smart HDI. And the innovation hasn't just been around the morale and the team building, it's also been in some of our technical areas. And I wonder, Steph, if you might want to talk about risk engineering for a little bit.
Yeah, absolutely. So at HDI, we're incredibly proud of our risk engineering service. Historically, we would have always sent a risk engineer to our client locations. However, through the pandemic, we wanted to keep a service offering. So what we offered is to do remote surveys for our clients, and they really appreciated that because our service offering didn't drop, and it allowed us to see their properties live and work with them as we would have done pre-pandemic.
And this is something we're going to be keeping in the portfolio of services now. So I think that's a really good addition to what we do.
Okay, thank you very much, both of you, and have a great conference.
Thanks.
Thank you.